Hello again. A couple of notes about how Lightroom works. So we've imported the images into the library. In the library tab, we have our images displayed here in the middle. And down below, there's a couple of ways of looking at them. You can look at them in the grid mode, which is all of them up there at once. You can look at one of them at a time. Back to grid mode. You can also go between the images if you're looking at one. Down here is what's called the film strip, and if you click on the individual images you can switch from one to the other. But what is happening really is, what does it say catalog here on the left? Well, the images are stored, and what we're working on is not the physical photographs that are stored in the library. We're working within a catalog, and these images that we're seeing here are text files. They're representation of the images. And all the changes you're making to these images is only to these text files within the catalog. The changes you're making, any editing you're doing, does not affect the original file. Those stay stored safely inside the library. What happens if you want to then use the image that you've edited in Lightroom, you will go and you export it, and that sort of puts together the information from the original file with the edit version from the text file and makes another file altogether. And you can choose the different types of files depending on what you want them to, what you're going to use them for. So if you want to print them, there'll be something else. There'll be TIFFs actually, and if you want to put them on the web, for instance, there'll be JPEGs. More on that in a later module.